Oh, 6th gear. Oh, and I stalled it.
Landis, you dumbass. Landis, we are going to score like nobody has scored before.
Come on. 3rd gear. I was trying to get the camera started and didn't pay attention to downshifting again. Alrighty, well, hello Rumble and YouTube, where I am uploading to. I'm getting myself up to the Best Buy store, picking up a Galaxy Tab A8 for a friend of mine. So I figured it'd be a good way to squeeze out a motovlog. But I only have one battery with me. I meant to bring several of them, but forgot to put them in my pocket. Just realized that. So I'm going to have to turn the camera off until I get close to there. So, later. I don't even know if I can get over there from here. I think so. Yeah, right here. Oh, no, I cannot. That's odd. Why would they do that? Oh, I just spill over here. Let's see, are you recording? Can't see without my glasses on. My glasses on. My good glasses on. Maybe have enough to make it home. We'll see. Alright, mission accomplished. Got a Galaxy A8, the 64 gigabyte, or was it 4 gigabytes of RAM. I don't know if it comes with an SD card. It does take an external one, but regardless. The one it's replacing is dead, and it was about 7 years old, or 5 or 6, maybe almost 7 years, about 6. Oh shoot! I'm gonna be that guy, go driving off without my chin strap secured. I'm getting a little bit of kind of a nice sky up there. Like I say, the whole area has been, all this low haze is from the fire. We have 2 fires going right now, actually. One in Cedar Creek area, which is like 10 miles outside of town to the east. And then we had that one pop up 2 days ago, a couple miles from my place. Oregon always has a lot of summertime fires, especially when it's dry like it is. And that's Captain Obvious. There are forest fires when it's dry. Okay, I don't want to have to sit here through that shit. So I'm going to go through this shit. Just because at least I'm moving forward. None of these people actually get to going, get to crack-a-lacking. Here, and I don't know, what am I going to do? Could go the same way as I went. We'll see. I mean, they may have both lanes blocked off at this point, so I think I'm just gonna go up here, follow these vehicles, and continue going east. Oh yeah. At least it's about 78 degrees out here, so it's nice and toasty warm. You definitely feel the harshness in the throat from the little smoky haze that's been going on today, though. Or last 2 days, 3 days now. Come on, people, get out there. Makes me want to turn the bike off just to give it a rest. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely hit the highway with this one. I'm not gonna take a chance on taking a right at this light, because they may have a couple of, well, they will have at least one police car, one ambulance, one fire truck for that kind of accident. And since there's 2 people there, they may have two police officers, because they had to block off an intersection. Busy intersection as well. It's right here at the main mall in town. Sunday afternoon. Oh man, it's 92 out here. Really sitting still. 1:21 p.m. Oregon. The chain restaurants up and down Lancaster Drive here. Always smells good, but yeah, it's fast food, so you know, I do my best to avoid fast food. It doesn't taste horrible. It's always mystery meat of unknown origins, and who knows who's handled it, how they've handled it. I was a food handler for 10 years, cooked pizzas for 10 years. So I took it very serious as far as cleanliness and hygiene. Never once had anybody call back on stomach problems or anything. But yeah, I know other people in the business, they don't care as much as I did. So like that movie Waiting, I was not a waiter, but I was a cook, you know, not just pizzas, but chicken and potato, you know, offerings and bread and everything, you know. And we did stuff from scratch. So it was all relatively good quality food. Not what I would consider fast food, but, you know, I'm talking about like McDonald's, Burger King, Subway, those kind of places. And not against the employees either. Most of them are, you know, regular folk, decent. They're not out to be disgusting or anything. Plus, I don't know if you can even get away with that. Like at a McDonald's, I'm sure they're kind of like probably monitored with cameras, you know, make sure nobody's picking their nose or butt or something on the line. So it's not that regard. But yeah, I just mostly the health aspect of fast food. I'm 56, and I still have cholesterol levels, you know, like low, like close to vegetarian level. Blood pressure is normally like 110 over 60. Heart rate's between 65 and 75. So, and that's with a heart condition. I have a pretty bad heart condition, so I gotta be careful in that regard, but it also means I monitor my heart health. I don't take drugs or anything. I don't take any kind of medications in life other than my local weed, my ganja. Other than that, no drugs, no prescription meds, nothing. I'm all natural. And like 6 foot, 175. And if it weren't for my back issue, I'd still be able to run, you know, like I did in my youth. I was a pretty much hyperactive kind of person, and athletic. I'd stayed athletic all up until my back problem. If it wasn't for that, I'd be a beast. Now I'm just human. Oh, too young again. I don't mind being old, but like I say, it wasn't, you know, my back's fucked up and full, or excuse me, messed up. Pardon my phone say. Messed up in 4 different spots, unoperable, so I got to just deal with it. And thankfully, it didn't preclude me from riding motorcycles. A lot of my car injury or my back injuries were related to driving for 30 years for a living. Spent about 17 years in total, 24/7 of my life, about 17 years actually driving on the road. Not including personal driving, you know, which I did a lot of, like everybody. Be able to hear me too well here. So one of the tricks of motovlogging is, even if you hear that the wind is blasting in your ears inside your helmet, oftentimes you don't necessarily have to raise your own voice much to get clarity still, especially if you got a GoPro, because it'll take care of a lot of the wind buffeting. But if you increase your volume of your voice, then you exceed the limits of the recorder built into the GoPro to handle it, and you'll cut your frequencies, called clipping. So that's a word to the wise. I'm almost what you would call a low talker, but I have a very deep voice, so I don't have to speak loud for it to carry. So that also kind of makes it difficult in the helmet, because some of my voice frequencies are the same frequencies that are cut out when you record with the GoPro. So it's not always what it's cracked up to be for recording quality when you have a deep voice. If you have a high voice, it's great, because the GoPro doesn't target those frequencies of people with a tenor voice or above. But if you have a baritone or a bass voice, then you might be in a little bit of trouble. And I have a bass voice. What am I going to do here today? I'm going to go, I think, just this way, I think, yeah. It's going to be goofed up whichever direction a person goes, but at least this way I make it through the light. Okay, with the wind blowing, it's 85 degrees, so nice and warm day. Just got a long sleeve shirt on, and it's still almost too warm. Could have wore a t-shirt and it'd still be fine. I'm on the verge of sweating. sure how long this battery's going to last. It looked like it was about still 3/4 there, but just in case it dies on me, I'm periodically going to sign off. That way I'll have a point where I can end the video at a logical point. So, if you followed along this far, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below there if you have a tablet. Specifically if you have Galaxy A8. Let me know how you like it. I think she'll enjoy it. I mean, she does YouTube and streams her movies and some very light duty gaming, like old-fashioned 8-bit style legacy games. So it should be a good tablet. But all right. Let's see. Oh yeah, this was my Galaxy Quest is what I'm titling this motovlog. So shout out to Tim the Toolman Taylor, and the rest in peace to oh man, I always forget his name. The guy that played Lazarus. Oh man, Hans Gruber from frickin' Die Hard, man. I always forgot. Alan Rickman. Rest in peace, Alan Rickman. Shout out to the Galaxy Quest fans out there, of which I am one. And we'll see y'all later. If you're able to get out and about, enjoy it while you can. And if not, then next time you do get a chance to get out and about, try to enjoy yourself. Fresh air, whether it's sunny or not. It's nice to be out. Nice to be alive. Galaxy Quest. Oh, come on, go on. There we go. Can we make it in? Oh. No feet, no feet, no feet, no feet, no feet. Oh, I couldn't quite make it. I didn't trust not whacking my head there because I'd have to duck and throw my balance off. Oh, well. Docking completed. All right. Later.